Okay, welcome to my Paint a Pumpkin workshop. I'm going to go over the basic needs to paint a pumpkin. And I'm going to use regular paint. I'm also going to do some paint pen. You can use either one. It doesn't matter. It's whatever you have. You're going to need white and black, at least black and white. And then you're going to have hair, if you want, or a face color and you leave the orange part as the hair. It's whatever you want. You can paint the whole thing. And it doesn't matter. So, but I'm going to show you this way where you pick a hair color and you put eyes, nose, and a mouth. Okay. And we always do the hair color last because you hold the pumpkin a lot. So that's my first tip. But let me try to break down what we need for this project. You need a pumpkin. Wow. Can I spell it? We have one. Okay. Get some paint. Acrylic. Any acrylic. It could be a paint pen. It could be paint. It could be tube paint. I would not use the Artist Loft paint you get at the dollar store, though. I would not use that. Nope, nope, nope. Don't use that. Acrylic. Hair color. Choose a hair color and then get a ribbon. If you have a ribbon or any kind of string or anything weird like this, match it to your hair color. You don't have to match them. It just makes it cooler in the end, in my opinion. If you match these, you need a Sharpie. Then the colors, I would always do white for the eyes or teeth, black for the outlines. You don't have to, but that's how I do it. You can totally copy mine if you want. If you're gonna do lips, it's really that hair. That being said, let's just start and see how far we go. Oh yeah, eyes. Eyes will have a color. So the first tip I wanted to give you is always do the hair last, because you're going to want to touch this a lot when you're making it. If you do the hair first, you are going to go like this the whole time. It's awkward. So here we go. Let's paint a pumpkin. All right, here's my Sharpie. I'm going to do eyes. These are pretty high up on the face, but I want it to, I think it'll come across better on YouTube. So eyes, eyelids, nose. You can do any kind of nose you want. A quick hack for a nose is just 1, 2, 3 little bumps. And if you want to make it look more real, nostril, nostril. Okay. Eyeballs. They don't have to match. Remember, it's Halloween. It can be weird. And then I wanted to do some like big luscious lips. So let's see what happens when I go lips. Okay, attitude. I'm into it. Hello. Let's do like bangs. Let's do bangs. Cool thing about painting on a pumpkin is you get all these vertical stripes here that you can use to like plan your art out. Kind of like framing the face. So let's see, pink hair, she's gonna come back in here with some curls. Okay. The beginning of my pumpkin. So it's pretty quick from this point. If you just use the pumpkin color as the face color, all we have to do here is do some eyes. Watch this. This brush might be too big, but I'm just going to go with it because you're not all going to have the perfect stuff at your place either. So, but I know that when I color the eyes in white, that's when the art starts to come to life. And I've been painting pumpkins with paint pens for a very long time. The deco color ones, I think, stay on the best. And painting it on, it doesn't stay on as good as it does with maybe paint pens. But for me, it's much faster. Alright, so there's my eyes. Yeah. Woo! So this is UV reactive paint. Let's just get it on there and see what happens. Whenever I draw or paint lips, I always do it in these like strokes. Just a habit. Alright. So I am just getting the lips painted in because I'm going to outline them at the end with black paint or black paint pen. So I'm getting them filled in with some lip texture just from painting it in vertical stripes. Whee! Looks like lips. Okay. Eyeshadow, if you want to do eyeshadow on the lids, you don't have to. I'm just coloring in the minimal amount of things I can color in to make it look like a face, and you'll see at the end it'll all come together. And you can totally copy everything I've done. I don't care. Go ahead. Okay. Ooh, okay. Hey, vibe. Getting close here on the face. Isn't that cool? We're getting so close already. Let's do the eyeballs. Alright, just be doing a little bit of color there. Do a little bit of color. Leave the hole in the middle for the pupil. Doesn't have to be that detailed to look like an eye. Just good enough. Maybe we can do black paint pen, because some of you are going to be using paint pens, right? Alright, let's do our eyeball. Pupil, it's just another circle, half circle, and the half circle. And then leave another half circle for the white reflection. You'll see. Boom. White reflection, watch this. Close enough. Close enough. Hey, hello. Hello. I have a tude. Doesn't have to be perfect. It never has to be perfect. Outlining with black. Outlining with black. Don't really care if it's perfect. You can go around the eyes if you want them to be more pronounced. And then see why it's so cool I didn't paint the hair yet? I can just grab the pumpkin. Eyes are almost done. If you want to add some more flair, you can eyelash it out. I recommend going big so you can really see them. Woohoo! Eyelashes. Remember, this was still Sharpie, so let's go over that with paint pen. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to get on there. This paint is like wet. But when you want to make art fast, you learn how to make it around the wet paint. You just work with it. And then if you want something to appear like it's smiling, just curve the mouth up at the sides. Give it a little smile if you want. Okay, when that dries, I'll do a little bit. Well, I have no patience. Let's go. Let's go. Just a tiny bit here. Ooh, don't ruin it. It's okay. You can always fix it. Ooh, feeling it. Okay, come on. This is cool. Here's the color I chose for the hair because this is the ribbon my husband found. Thanks, Alex. He found this in the house. So, because I wanted to show you how cool a ribbon makes it look at the end. Like, takes it to the ridiculous level of mega fun. Okay, so here we go. Let's paint the hair. Here we go. I paint the whole stem, and you'll see why at the end. You'll see why I do it all in the end, when it all comes together in a very cute pumpkin that everyone will want to own and keep and cherish as their very own. So I think I'm going to let this dry and then I'm going to come back. Okay, it's not even dry yet, but I'm going to start working on the outline in the front if I can without ruining it. Paint pens dry so fast. It's the brush on paint that takes long. Okay, it's dried enough, I think. And here's the final touch I've been waiting to show you. All right, let's put the ribbon on top here. Let's see if I can pull it tight enough that it'll stay. All right, that feels tight. Now, all that's left to do is make it look like hair, and it doesn't really matter if it does. Let's see if I can just get something funny going on here. Maybe a little silly. What about those wires poking right there? Oh, okay. Oh, I think we did it. We did it. You want to see the full reveal? Here we go. Here's your moment. Da-da-da. Come on. How cute is this pumpkin? Let's move this stuff so you can really soak it in. Hi. Wouldn't you like to own this pumpkin and have it? Conversation piece. The funny thing about a painted pumpkin is it could last up to a year before it even like caves in or starts to mold. Because I've given these away as present and they've literally lasted till the next summer. So it's a fun gift to give someone. Oh, I'm so stoked with how this came out. Yay, hello. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ask me questions in the comments if I missed something. Okay.